To enable and set up mobile hotspot on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Now, once you open the settings, you want to proceed to Connections, and then you should be able to find Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Over here, we have the Mobile Hotspot, so you can tap on the switcher in order to turn it on. Over here, we also have an information that Mobile Hotspot shares your Wi-Fi network. So, of course, we need to confirm. And there we go. Now the hotspot is enabled. You can tap on the mobile hotspot in order to find details like the password, the network name, and so on and so forth. And of course, you can tap on this information in order to change it. So for example, you can change and update the password. You can adjust the compatibility or increase the performance by changing the band to 5 or 6 gigahertz. And so on and so forth. You can also tap on Advanced to find, for example, the support of Wi-Fi 6 standard and much more. And once you are done, of course, remember to tap on Save to save your changes. And besides that, remember that you can also go to the Quick Settings panel to find the Mobile Hotspot shortcut, so you can easily enable and disable Mobile Hotspot here. Leave a like and subscribe.